Welcome to Communicator, the LanguageCert International ESOL B2 level written qualification. Let's take a look at the writing component. Remember that after the listening component, candidates may choose to continue with the reading and then with the writing component, or the other way round. Candidates need to do 2 writing tasks. Part 1 asks them to produce a 100 to 150 word composition, which is a neutral or more formal response for an intended public audience. 3 content points will need to be addressed. Part 2 asks them to produce an informal piece of writing, which might be a personal letter, a narrative, or a descriptive composition of 150 to 200 words for a specified reader. Here, candidates will need to address 2 content points on a general subject. All answers will have to be written on a separate answer sheet. This example is taken from Part 1. The task requires candidates to write a review for their school magazine about a sports centre they recently visited, helped by an advertisement provided. They need to refer to the 3 content points given and write between 100 and 150 words. This writing task is taken from Part 2 and requires candidates to write a letter to a friend in England and describe a surprising experience they recently had. They are asked to refer to 2 distinct points: why they were surprised by what happened to them, and also how they felt about it afterwards. They need to produce a text of 150 to 200 words. Both writing tasks are assessed in terms of 4 criteria. Task fulfillment, that is, the extent to which the candidate has addressed the task, and whether or not the candidate has done what was asked. Accuracy and range of grammar, which evaluates the range, appropriacy and accuracy of the grammar used. Accuracy and range of vocabulary, which assesses the range, accuracy and appropriacy of vocabulary, as well as spelling accuracy. And lastly, organisation, which measures how coherently ideas are linked together in the text and how accurate the punctuation is. Candidates are awarded up to 3 marks per criterion and collect up to 12 marks per task. Since candidates need to write 2 tasks, they will be awarded up to 24 marks for both tasks in total. Just like for all components of the written exam, i.e. the listening, the reading, the writing, there is no minimum score to be attained for the writing component. Candidates need an overall scaled score of 50%. The overall score is obtained by adding up all 3 components of the written exam. In order to be successful, candidates need to collect at least 75 marks out of 150. If they achieve more than 100 marks, they will be awarded a high pass. Here is a sample of the candidate's questions booklet on the left, a writing task in the middle, and the candidate's answer sheet on the right. For more information on this component of the exam and for support materials, simply follow this link.